Hi, my name is Jennifer DeLeon, and I would like to be considered for the paralegal position at Foley and Lardner. I am excellent at paying attention to detail. I'm very organized, and I'm also very resourceful with my time and the resources that I have to work with around me. I have interned already at a criminal defense firm, Gray & Jones in Bryan. During my time there, I assisted the paralegal in writing fee slips, organizing documents in my case, getting discovery, filing certain things, going through closed files, making phone calls to other attorneys and anyone that I needed to communicate with, such as clients. And I very much enjoyed my time there, and I learned a lot, and I figured being right under the wing of a paralegal would be very beneficial to me in this new position with Foley and Lardner. I also interned at for a research group, Peel and Associates, and I went through 191 phone calls of discovery. And during that time, I learned a lot about relations with the client and how I am to step back from whatever I believe and to let myself be an open vessel to the client and for any attorney that I'm working for. And with all these in mind and my education at Blinn College, receiving my mediator certification, paralegal certification, and legal assistant degree, I find it very relevant to have a job with you. Thank you.